In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a liftgate weather strip on a Ford Escape. It is located in the rear of the vehicle. Before you remove your weather strip, just make note, you can put it on two different ways, a right way and a wrong way. On the outside, it is ribbed, so the outside of the vehicle, the rib side goes to that side is smooth. So you just want to grab hold of a section, pull straight out towards you, and just go along and do the same thing. Just pull right towards you. And there's your old weather strip. When installing your new rubber seal, you have a slit that's on the back side. That slit goes along this piece of metal. Don't forget, ribbed outside. Put that slit right over the piece of metal, push straight down. And just repeat the process all the way around. When you get to sections like this where your headliner is poking down below your weather strip, you can just take an interior trim tool, go around, and wipe the excess glue.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.